to ni shade say no te afichire ya wono me ka jo say me oboa enti ejefo nu a me nsem na me kan say awo brande no aha so for bro be wo enti otie na oba apostle be jam enti osidio ha e be starting common na yetimi edi amamu Ovi, good morning. Now to say,
body in that room.
BBI
okay. But when I saw was on way.
Oh, Yamiadum. Yamia enough from the
yeah.
Na come.
Oh, someone's way out there.
I'm so many media account. And now what's him in Grano?
I mean, oh, boys, if you send me videos, be saying I wouldn't come be near there.
And I Apimuyana.
Oh no, I was due to report to work today on Tuesday.
Okay.
Permission and maybe say no say me buy you.
Okay.
And one am dey have.
Okay.
And any away oh baby.
Okay.
There are no issues at all.
Never any saying.
Then any idea.
Money and game no.
You know much. My review.
When you have review. But what is score line?
I am at the score line. So much share one.
Okay.
Everton crash a 3 one penalty me share. I'm cry mun yade.
Wa ngaza no ni mu asem.
Let's be sure now. We know that you do ya check. One am one mi nemu.
Otutu eni are wo.
Ha say my head is before easy.
They are young this season pa. Oba ya nkwa no ntum no.
What is 6 points oh.
Home and away. A bomb back to back.
But yeah, we are in very bad times, right?
Okay.
Honestly speaking, I think their Chelsea Kumuno really tough. But Rich, I say we manka. Okay, but Chelsea for we say oh. Enzo Maresca nyade. Son. Do you remember the things I said?
Yeah.
Which, for me, meaning, ABR, Maresca Nanija, Okoye, almost Akin, whatever the case was. Baby, and a Chelsea project never be true. I've always believed in the last few months, Nadia Bakupen and the correct tactical brain and the stability of it. So when you said now, you say Arsenal started a project, only can the 8th. And obey FA Cup, and I feel obey second. That was stability. If you stabilize over time, then you can move from stabilizing to go and win. Rich, what's the Club World Cup? What's the Conference League? True, in the grand scheme of big trophies, and your trophy, yeah. But in the context of maybe a Chelsea free bar as a club, you ought to make sure say you build on that. If you have Enzo Maresca, you have to find ways to over convincing it until at least the end of the season. Then you make the adjustment that you have to make. Because Rich, me McCann several times, if you look at the Chelsea squad, you are about 3 or 4 players away from a world-class team that can compete. Get 2 more centre backs are you good. Me experience has never been the word I'll use in the Chelsea project. Because Alandi Garnacho, you told me, say, Kofi, player no, I said this goes, I said that goes, and I kept on telling you and Chelsea fans and all pushing for Garnacho say, when it comes to Garnacho and Chelsea, it has to be player or your squad fits. Maresca Bayno. No, so about a 4. The fullbacks being inverted, then the wingers will keep the weight. If you play in such a system, you need a winger that is good 1v1. Pedro Neto said and miss attributes, so although he will give you goals. Who can find Andy Garnacho, but because I remember the time, or your Premier League proving, but the player is not a squad fit. In the club, I will do a bedroom. Never go all of these things. Rich, Chelsea in a
Garnacho nyeka.
Oh, that's a player.
Now, who is a media dance and a meeting say? Yenya baby am fanan ko.
And I'm always obliged to send messages now. Can my be na with you? Say that.
They are shawani.
Na minya na kwame. Ano pa tutu abasha ba fe. Kofi meeting na esa uda. Garnacho win na da o. You have to sleep. Rich, we are not in a good place. And to be very honest, Liam was in your banner no ocean. Chelsea fans now almost say Maresca Nyadian. Almost say, oh, so I can't even come to the ball Maresca cheaper and say Maresca and Tinisha teams on with low block. So okay.
Yeah.
And Liam was in your banner. The teams were starting on mobile and were low block sites. And I'm not all sure. And it was scoring free. The notion was that your coach will be in low block. It's quote unquote to hell with Enzo Maresca. Now, Liam Rosinia is beginning to suffer. And your Chelsea go through. No? Anybody that watched the Chelsea game came out and told us, oh, Chelsea Bobo against United by United channel. Mentally, it's a block. From the level of Paris Saint-Germain show the number of goals, goal difference, home and away. Everton about the show, you've lost to Manchester City. Man, it's a huge emotional block. And you can play good football, but you are not guaranteed results. And then right on any pre-match press conference, or see, Obi Abetinia can say potential, but when your results then that they will sack him. Which I am very certain says Liam Rosinia when Timan share Brighton, not a course to say near corner. All the assurances the board have given him, they will sack him.
Still nah, man sure say your both season over twice.
Oh, 2 or 3 days ago, Baghdad Bali echo one of the football conferences. And I say, only Liam Rosinia year Juma 18 months at Strasbourg. And only Juma Liam Rosinia year of Strasbourg and Geneva so bet me Juma. But I know you just talk.
Okay.
You can be believed that you can do the job. But if the results you are bringing day in, day out, week out in Nafa, they will sack you.
A motivational speaker. Fiifi is here again to motivate Chelsea fans.
One no.
Also one no.
But say money boy kind message.
I will be message out there about my
Is he a very derogatory? My name yes sir. No, me now come and watch him, and that's how I take it. He can decide that he doesn't agree with me, but I find it derogatory. Yeah, my name yes sir.
So you are trying to motivate.
No, motivate
Chelsea fan be our head down.
My job, Debbie, me can't Sancho.
Are you sure?
But me buy my car just say me be motivation. I didn't tell you that.
Okay.
Now when I starting, now you na me catch you say jai because they will take it up. It's not a nice thing to do.
But is it not good? So be a down bit
in this contest. So Obabe Ojuma's analyst. No before catches you are not analyzing, you are only motivating her. It's the opposite.
I don't think so. No,
that's the meaning. And you don't know the catching. Many catching and mechanism. So I think it's most one.
Are you not sure? Say you are reading meanings into message, not the Bible.
Me jambe bi no abo me twede a una be chem do ya twede ne e feeling no be. I'm reading too much meanings. Me be fia ne myself kwase ase be a. Unka say I'm reading too much meanings. That's how I take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Oh, next message I can. No problem. I just find that derogatory. I order twice. Yeah, okay. And you better tackle Chelsea before you go to other things. No worry. No problem.
Even the asama tuzo.
But how I see it is my kind of shit.
Obliterated back will be a any around between.
Twaso. More obliterated.
As we Richardo, turn Speaker of Parliament.
Twaso.
Turn Speaker of Parliament. Fiifi that one decision. Okay, mami, help I say, tells the Speaker of Parliament, Fiifi, that the worst decision he made in his life is supporting Chelsea. Now it's clear that Chelsea might end up in a 10th position, and even Conference League will be very difficult. Obliterate Komi, and this is message at the brain.
That's Chelsea for be say, Omo in your Champions League, Omo pay Europa crap. Until they should end up in 14th or 15th. No, we say Omo boy Europe next season. Rich.
Okay.
The biggest issue about to Chelsea at the end of the summer, at the end of the season, so when you're Champions League is going to be the problem of being able to buy. And yet just about attracting of the top quality players. In the last few days, what's here? Honestly, say, now they want to make tweaks and then solve the problems and correct certain mistakes or projects in, and now they want to buy Premier League proven players. Rich, Chelsea for now and training here, they will make more mistakes with that statement. Buy Premier League proven players. Because Garnacho is a Premier League proven player. Tosin Aderabia was a Premier League proven player. They've all not worked. The most important thing that Chelsea makes me say, go and do proper scouting, profile the players better, and buy the correct players. In fact, Adebayo is super important. I mean, if I'm a sporting director and I'm a top player, I will look at it's making sure that at the end of the day, what top player, the temperament, the personality is good enough to compete at the top. Okoto any soft baby when times get hard, they will cry and leave. And now, when just went on Chelsea. Because when we say Chelsea, for started to say Jao had to there. The last 2 games, Jao had to.
But that's all improve.
Which it is not an improvement on your bad player. When you come to a new team, not any settled, you struggle. It happens everywhere. Yeah, Abdul Kader Kusino for Manchester City. Look at the football he's playing. People are hailing my gay, but then Shabo Kusino Verbo. And for me, it's about time. That's what Chelsea needs, stability. Whether they will sack Liam Rossini or not, Obian Timinka say and Pampa, Liam Rossini has done enough to merit the job, they say, if the season ends. So it's almost like nobody will be able to say something for him. But at the end of the day, Chelsea have to make sure that the next managerial appointment on Benyano has to be right. And whatever it is, the manager never, maybe do not say results implemented kakra. You don't just listen to fans that are saying that, oh, team breaking down low block, Chelsea, the SNK Champions League, or no. You need to be able to close your ears. Wait, who a leader? Me, as I work here for multimedia, you be an SMK, boss is it. It doesn't mean that you not listen to your employees, but and you be an about, oh, you say, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, no. Sometimes as a leader, you know the plan and you stick to it. And that's what Chelsea have to do if they appoint the next manager. Which the last 3 times of Chelsea go away to the Amex Stadium on share back against Brighton. So there's no credible data that proves that Chelsea can beat Brighton tonight. Enzo Maresca called 2 seasons ago, close to the same time of the season. With James Kokodi red card, Chelsea lose here. Last season, so Akiro Mitoma. Okay. Yeah. Trevor Chalobah, 1 control, bam, the game was done. They are going back again. In fact, they've gone back again, they lost. They are going back again with Liam Rossini. Very low in confidence. And Rossini Kasimbi, or say time is running out. And I think I hope he rings that in his brain every time. Because time is running out. I will not advise anybody to go and stake on Chelsea. Usually I don't do that and I'll still not do. Maybe over 1.5, I'm not confident that Chelsea better Brighton over Albion. Because the data that one make sure say if they get the winner, there is one last chance for them to qualify for Champions League. So what mean you win now? Nipo the message about Chelsea beat me 15-14. Okay. Chelsea are close to 12, 14th and 13th. Then they are to the top. Between Chelsea and I think Fulham and 12th position, I have 3 points. But between Chelsea and Manchester United is 10 points. Between Chelsea and Liverpool is 7 points. So how you are close to the drop than you are to the top. If they really want to win and then it starts from now. You have to say United, you played well, you're unlucky. And sometimes the results make it difficult to really analyze games because well, and you've lost 4 games on the trot, don't share a single goal. But an opportunity has come at the Make Stadium. Then opportunity come for you, so be in your share. Now we be a calling.
Before I call to next slide, my music question. I mean, you're a Chelsea fan. And Matisa Oka says sometimes a way leader and then the Biana supporters, if you resort in Kuno, you listen to them then. Now what was so? Candid opinion on this. Osha Rosine, a Jumana or Yedema Chelsea here, though yes, in the G2 of a G team in the middle of the season. Yeah. And it wouldn't be fair, say, so yeah, assessment of a channel. From that angle, I mean, coach or G team in the middle of the season. Yeah. Ni your both season we also your assessment based on the result of the match. Yeah. Chelsea. But so Kofi, so what transfer now share papa no be G Jumadi no. Yeah. Jumadi na all ye the match Chelsea na. Do you think it's a project we? Obetumi aboa Chelsea am matimi aye.
Oh, what's the stance now? No, it's a simple no.
So supporters make us permanent. I don't think so. I'm far from right.
The Nana was on the Maresca bit because they said same about Maresca.
Okay.
They said
What
same, and when you said before Maresca went 7 games with just 1 win. 7 games. Who win back up? And they said same about Maresca. And now it's happening with Liam Rossini. Rich, say Chelsea Nyan to Basia Emma Liam Rossini. You will not have enough to back it because they turning in. You understand? But also, like you say, maybe you want to take your time and say, we are season, you know. Yeah, Pamoni say, we are season, you know. Then we'll see. Chelsea have an FA Cup semi-final to play. They can 10. Just imagine.
I don't quite okay.
No, but
Chelsea say, "Bia, ode, young fan say what FA Cup."
Now, there is another possibility of going to the Champions League. So Aston Villa, top 5 in, especially at 5th. That's or Europa League now. Yeah. It means that the extra slot goes to 6th.
Okay.
It means that if you can get through a Champions League with that, so when you're Champions League, when you're FA Cup, it's not bad. And that is why I'm saying that at the end of the day, there is no CCA, but you have to manage it and analyze it after the season. CCA go permit one of my bedjes age marry. Roberto Di say me can no akwaje Tottenham edman. By this time, any BS come the money is kakese. Maybe the bonuses are huge that he won't get anywhere. But this job, nobody takes it. So you wait after 5 games. Wait, I can assure you, every Chelsea fan has zoned out of the season. Chelsea will be bringing Chelsea match game. Okwano beside challenge about say almost yourselves you and 1-1. Okay, ne kakra.
Edu me bizarre you.
Sir,
you wasting me time.
You don't want to watch.
That is me go talk
No.
United game.
What do you say?
We almost starting now. We have 5 minutes already.
Yeah, it is bad. It is that bad. It's that bad, and I don't know. I think things have to change. For me, this summer has to be a big summer for them to change things. Which, in front of Mundo Deportivo, Barca want to say, and I'm saying Barca want to say because Mundo is a Barcelona pro paper. Barca want to say, Alejandro Bastoni has opened the door. Now, once I saw this, then I saw a post from Fabrizio Romano, one of the directors of Inter Milan, Pio Cielo. Eka say Barca want to say so per Bastonia. He didn't mention Barcelona, but essentially saying that so we also per Bastonia. They should contact them and not try to go through the media, using the media to say certain things. Bastonia has opened the door. Whether or not Barcelona has gone to Bastoni or not, Inter Milan or not, it is clear. So Barcelona wants a left-sided centre back on him. Somebody who can be a defensive leader. Or be that dominance, calmness, and of course control with Chirobeba. Somebody who can also guide Pau Kubasi, because in as much as Pau Kubasi in Boniboro, he's a young chap. And Bastoni has been to the Champions League final twice. Even for nothing, the journey of going to where Barcelona want to go and have failed to get to the last 11 years, he can guide them a little bit in that regard. Now, I think that for me, he's an ideal player. Interfono, the only reason why they are doing what they are doing is that they want good money for Bastoni. The last time we were arguing here, say Adetina Lautaro Martinez Motel, Adetina Bastoni Motel. It is because Oko Inter war. If you go to Lautaro Martinez today, 100 million, 120, you pay. Bastoni, from what I've seen, most of the Barcelona have wanted to say, oh, and Bastoni then 60 million, near 5 excess is 6 million being count, near 66 million, number 6 man. I doubt Inter will do that. And that is where UCL is coming. Because most of the outlets, Mundo, Sports, all of these guys, if they talk about Bastoni, they are bringing their own price, 60 million. But on one can't also told the 60 million. You will pay 60, 70, 75. And that's probably may make the economic side of the deal a little difficult for them. They should find a way to get Alejandro Bastoni. The way I season economy.
Interphone is almost a Barca phone.
I know see look at. I'm say oh then the media phone.
Media talk now.
Sometimes to be fair also to them, Rich.
What is now?
Exactly.
Okay.
You want to gather all the information now on the side. Then by the time you go and you have to now wada long talk. You go, you hit the nail on its head. No one you play another. Right? What about the conversation around striker? Lewandowski, Ferran, Julian Alvarez coming. Which because Unimadi,
Now do you know?
Yeah, if Barcelona don't take care, they will waste the prime ages of Lamine Yamal. It's boring. Lamine bought this season and last season he's coming, and next season he will improve. With that football, you need to get him all the other pieces of the puzzle and be back together to win. So if it's about a striker that can convert chances by the snap of the finger, you get it for him. If it's a centre back or Jumana so the ball or a topper, you get it for him. I think that should be on the mindset and at the back of the mind of Hansi Flick and Deco. Once you extend for Hansi, you go onto the market and find, even if it's a lever, Barca and Konkoji, I don't know exactly what the financial standings are. But whatever it is, Barca need to get these players in. A proper number 9 that will score goals. And I'm sure Somunya starting number 9. Either of Lewandowski and I say Ferran Torres will go. One of the things I've also realized in Barcelona is that they don't do a good job in terms of sales. Rich, there are certain players in the Barcelona team that I think they can sell to get money.
Okay.
Now say who's almost Casado, Mo, possibly. There are certain players that Somunya be ma. Barca should sell. Raise the revenue from there and then go and buy the players. Maybe the Spanish La Liga and a co. And then you may whatever happens between Real Madrid and Deportivo Alaves. I don't see how the closing on the 7-point gap na Barcelona they are more. I think that it's a trophy that Barcelona win here. It just mathematically still possible that Madrid will turn it around. Now Madrid if you want to say coach pay experience, proving and obi oye winner. Who be more winner? Names ni bi amete tell me pe kra o.
I know.
Me kote Mauricio
Pochettino. I want to draw that story. No?
Oh wait, it's even Marca had pushed that story at some point.
Pochettino.
Yeah, I've seen I've seen Jurgen. I've seen Jurgen.
Only as well take your boxing.
Obviously, Mauricio Pochettino. Me who Max Allegri.
Allegri.
Yeah.
Do did do ojeje. Only ngombo omo 3 matches. I know more pam no.
You understand? It's a Madrid for I think that's a new against Deportivo Alaves.
Okay.
Omobeshe Vini contract extension is when we hear that it's still there. Okay. Madrid for not convincing. It's not Sunday the boys in the first car.
Okay.
I think it's 3 separate codes and a boys in the first car. Now and then akwe midweek the matches baby or Italian say on Coppa Italia or Spanish La Liga or there is English Premier League Chelsea game no or nti uti me am sure Barbeji will coach them na kona kuchana and then you may get some good wins. Rich first one I made them a BW 4F C2A 2DA. That is the first one. Second one a BW 4F C27891. Third one a BW 4F C25595. Third one a BW 4F BEBE19. And the last one a BW 4F BE8DD9. Rich, these are the quotes and money we're for. And Oko 51 friend on social media and also outside.
Now, Obi Bibia and Timmy and Nibi Jacob Kensley. As Richardo, I know Chelsea risk of losing Cole Palmer, Enzo, etc. if they don't make it to the Champions League next